Million Muskmelons. Recipe for entrepreneurs and leaders. How would you like to be like Elon Musk? How could you change the world if you thought and acted like he does? Could you make a difference that would be felt for generations? Elon Musk is best known as the billionaire owner of innovative and forward-thinking companies such as SpaceX and Tesla. His will to keep pushing past the boundaries that many others cannot has seen him at the forefront of ideas like human colonization of Mars and Hyperloop transportation. But what if more of us were like him? Where would that leave the human race? In this book, Million Muskmelons, the idea of the world having a million Elon Musks and how they could contribute to society is deliberated, with consideration into the effects that would have on interplanetary travel, human settlements on other planets, elimination of world poverty, halting of climate change, improvements to infrastructure, artificial intelligence, and much more. The planet would feel the benefit of even one more Elon Musk and progress would be much faster as a result. Could the next one be you? Million Muskmelons is available at Amazon. Grab your copy today and see if you possess the traits and habits that are required to be the next great innovator of our time.